We got a little bit done on the 54. Hopefully get the rest of the sheet metal this week. I'm gonna put this video together out of 2 or 3 different videos to kind of show a little bit of process. I didn't get a video of this, which wasn't really a big deal. It's kind of a mock-up of a little bit of sheet metal done. Just got it tacked in there for the time being, and just to make sure everything fit decent. It's a little dark in here. I ain't got all the lights put up in the shop just yet, but it's in there. It actually fit pretty good. I just kind of took some measurements. Well, I did take some measurements off the other side to make sure, because this side did not have anything. It was literally just completely gone. This is actually what's left of the rocker panel. I mean, there's just nothing left of it. So we got in here, we tied it all together. I have the rest of the sheet metal coming for the other side, and then a transmission tunnel, which will be a little different than the factory one. It actually comes up kind of high and just kind of slopes down, and it'll be removable. I'll put some nut certs in there so I can take it in and out to get to the transmission a little easier. And then once we kind of get everything welded in, everything's solid, I'll come in and I'm gonna paint all this stuff with Herculiner, and then all the dash will be sanded down as best we can, and we're gonna paint it back. I think I'm gonna go back with this gray. Just go back with the gray, just tape it all off and just paint it the best I can with just out in the shop. I'm not gonna get too crazy with it. It is gonna be a work truck. So, but we'll try to clean it up a little bit, make it look decent. The dash is real cool in this thing. We'll try to make it look good, and that's about it. Like I said, I'm gonna put this video together, and I have a few different videos to try to show a little bit of the process of me doing this. Nothing scientific about it, just pretty much just getting in here and cut and hack and put it together and the best I can. The other side actually will be a little bit easier. This side was a little bit of a guessing game because there was just nothing here. It was just the door jamb was not even attached. So other than that, I mean, I've done floorboards and stuff before, and yeah, definitely I'm not a professional, but I can make it look pretty decent. Like I said, this truck will be used. This isn't a factory restoration. This truck is going on a Dodge 2500 frame with a Cummins automatic. So we're probably going to have to do some modifications, build different body mounts and all that kind of stuff. So, but I like to show a little bit of the process of this project because it doesn't get done very much. So I know there's definitely coming swaps and things like that, but and there probably has been some guys that have done this body style truck, but not very many. So I like to just show a little bit of the process of it. It's kind of a new build for me. I usually don't do stuff like this. I usually do stuff like that. That's more my cup of tea, but this is a little different. I'm really excited about it. I will show a little bit of this car here pretty soon. I'm gonna be doing, and I actually might do a little bit of a video this weekend on this car. I'll be doing fuel system, maybe finishing up the downpipe, and possibly cranking it up. It is very close to being cranked up, and that car will be back on the road. That's probably the fastest car I've ever had. The car is being like 490s in the 8th, which is not blazing fast, but especially by nowadays standards, but it's pretty fast. It's got complete full interior back seat, stock suspension. Car's definitely gonna be slower now. I actually am doing a little work to the bigger motor, the 400 inch motor. This is just a stock 5.3 with a little John's cam and a cheap VS Racing 75 millimeter turbo T6 flange, but it should make some pretty good power. Be pretty fun, and just have a good time with it. We hit up a lot of no prep stuff, street classes and things like that. So I might show a little bit of some work being done on that. So, all right, well that's it for today. See y'all later.